Sarah had just gotten her morning coffee, ready for a peaceful day. But as soon as she sat down, she felt that familiar tickle in her nose. She tried to hold it in, but, achoo! The sneeze was so powerful that her coffee flew out of her mug and splashed all over her clothes. Frustrated, she grabbed a tissue and tried again. But as soon as she breathed in, achoo! This time, the sneeze sent her entire breakfast flying across the room. Sarah just sat there in disbelief, looking at her ruined breakfast, thinking, why does this always happen to me?